Hey everyone, today's episode we're getting onto the RN46. Here it is everyone, episode 1 of the V8 RN46 with a flat battery. Now, I brought this car over eBay. Unfortunately, I was the winning bidder, so I was sort of stuck to the purchase, but I picked it up for a good price. It wasn't running, he didn't know what was wrong with it, so I thought I'd have a crack. Now this car is loud, it is obnoxious. I don't know how many episodes I'm going to do of this car or how long it's going to go for. This could go over the next 4 or 5 years. It's one of my favourite cars. It's as old as I am. It's a 1981, so it's pretty cool to be working on the car that's the same age as you. And as you can see, I've got it running. But today's episode, I'm not going to go too much into it. All we're really going to do is a little bit of archaeology. That is digging through this car and the red one that I brought as a spares car and see what we end up with. So look, I was hoping to use this body as a replacement because there are a few rust holes in the floor of the black one, but looking at this, mate, there's more rust in this. The middle tunnel's rusted out. The floors are just fucked. So I'm not going to use the shell of this one. I mean, the work just doesn't add up. There's more work to fix the floor in this one than to fix 2 small rust holes in the black one. This is going to be a replace the whole floor and tunnel. Mate, I can't even find the tunnel. You can buy new floor sections. There's a lot of panels for these things you can still buy. New, old, not OEM. So now I think what this one's going to be is I need to replace the B pillar on the black one. The bonnet, the doors on the black one are fucked, but the doors on this one are good. I mean, the shell is, but the skins on this are pretty bent and twisted, but the skins on the black one are in really good condition, so I might use the shells of these doors, de-skin them and use the skins on the doors and just use this. That's all in good nick for this car. The B pillar I can stitch out. The bonnet in this has no rust for original, which is mind-blowing. The front panels are in good condition, but some of the ones in the black ones are quarter panels. The radiator support in the black one's been cut out for some reason because someone, obviously when they built that V8, they're using a big copper core radiator, but that's going in the bin. Modern technology these days, I can just use a Hilux diesel core. Nice thin aluminium one in there, mate. They're sufficient enough for an LS, so they're going to be sufficient enough for a 308. So I'm going to take the front out of this with the radiator support, basically unstitch the whole front of this and put it back into that one, give some support back to the front of that car. What else? Quarter windows, glass. The main thing is this dash. The top of it's rooted underneath that carpet. It's just split and cracked, but everything else, mate, she's all here. The underglove, glove box, original stereo, the heater fascia is all here. Even got the original ashtray and the original fucking cigarette lighter. So the dash from this is going in that one, so I can. It's a good thing it's all fucking mostly metal, mate. So look. I really think this is going to work out to be a good parts car. But right now I want to get the seat out of this, because the goose who built that car decided not only to put the fucking VL Commodore motor in the car, but let's put the seats in and everything else. So I've gone through that black car. It has stereo amplifier, aftermarket fucking air conditioning. It's got the central locking, the electric windows, the sunroof, like everything that was in the VL. He's just basically transplanted into that, and it doesn't work. The seats don't work. You're hitting your head on the roof. You're hugging the steering wheel. So we'll put these original bucket seats back in. They're great. You sit in them, you sink and sag right into the car, and you actually fit into it. And a fat bastard like me, that's a bit hard to fucking do. So let's crack into that.
Never back down, man, I'd rather be dead. I'm making love to face. She look better in bed. And I'ma rock this life till I take my last breath. I wanna make a change. I got one life left, so I'm gonna go down swinging, don't you forget. Everything is so boring. Can't get up in the morning. I'm so sick of the mundane and routine. I'm gonna break without warning. I wanna taste the pain. I think I'm seeing all red. 2 bullets in the gun, 1 shot to the
Yeah, right. Get fucked. And that's so quiet. Might hook some fuel up. Get out of it. Got the makeshift fuel tank hooked up. Cardi open. Fuel in. Shot of some start, you bastard. Fuck, I'm good.